Important updates. Hello O-Founder. Dear O-Founders. A journey starts with single step. Onpassive journey starts with 1 million steps. We all 1 million founders wish you Ash a safe and successful trip. A trip full of hope, determination, courage. A million dreams have already been rewritten by you. You have done it, Ash. Thank you, safe journey. Many congratulations to all our founders of Onpassive. The launching begins today by the grace of God. Nationwide tour and in between, some products would be revealed at each state in the USA. The founder opportunity closes just a few days from now. Pending accounts would also be flushed out. O-Founders coming, perhaps next week. VIP semi-launched beta test follows, shortly after that, global launch to the public. I am super excited and I'll give God all the glory. Let's get ready for the greatest shape of our lives. It's happening now. Let it be known that henceforth nothing like an old account again, even if the account was dated as far back as 2018. In accordance with the information Ash Mufareh gave in the webinar before the last, he specifically mentioned that henceforth there is nothing like old account anymore and that nobody should ask anyone to pay more than $102 to activate Onpassive GoFounders account no matter the country. So in this regard, let us all follow these updates as new directives from our CEO and founder to the letter. We are so in it to win it. Join OFOUNDERS, the gateway to Onpassive, and deliver a turnkey business or take your existing business to the next level. All the founders now keep getting updated by joining some webinar, certified YouTube, back office in the invaluable time left here. Thanks just for updating you all. Congratulations. Please subscribe, like and share this video with the ones you love.